Warning signs. Right curve ahead. Dangerous curve to the right. Left curve ahead. Dangerous curve to the left. Series of bends. Multiple curves ahead. Crossroad ahead. Intersection with another road. T intersection. The road ends or meets another road. Roundabout ahead. A roundabout is coming. Slippery road. Risk of skidding. Speed bump. Reduce speed. Steep descent. Downhill road, use brakes carefully. Steep ascent. Uphill road. Roadworks. Construction ahead. Uneven road. Bumpy surface. Road narrows. The road becomes narrower. Pedestrian crossing. People may cross. Children crossing. School zone area. Animals crossing. Animals may cross. Crosswinds. Strong side winds are possible. Narrow bridge. Bridge with limited width. Traffic lights ahead. Signal ahead. Two-way traffic. Opposite traffic is present. Falling rocks. Risk of rocks on the road. Fog area. Low visibility area. Slippery when wet. Extra caution in rain. Cyclists crossing. Bicycle crossing area. Wild animals crossing. Unexpected animals may appear. Ice risk. The road may be icy. End of dual carriageway. The road becomes single. Start of dual carriageway. The road splits directions. Merging traffic. Vehicles entering the road. Low-flying aircraft. Airport nearby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share if this video helped. Watch next video. Thanks.